Hey guys, in today's video I am going to explain why the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Before that, let's look at the right angle. Right angle is if two lines are drawn perpendicular to each other, a perfect L shape is formed, and here the angle is exactly 90 degrees. Now let me label this one as AOC. Now let me draw another line, label it as P, so OB is drawn, and here also another L shape, so this is another 90 degrees. Now if you add these two, 90 and 90, that makes 180 degrees. We see that 180 degrees means this is forming a straight line. 180 degrees forms a straight line. Well, so a straight line makes 180 degrees. I'm taking three triangles. This is one, this is two, and this is three. These three are in different shapes. You can see that these three are of different shapes. Okay, so let me cut them into some bits and pieces. So take my scissors, just cutting, just making it to some pieces. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So let me place them side by side. I see that these three angles together are making a straight line. A straight line. I hope you remember that straight line makes 180 degrees. Okay. So let me move this one a little down. Okay. So let's take another triangle. Let's take another triangle. I'm cutting into just some pieces. Okay. Now let me place them side by side. These angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. My gosh, I see that again a straight line. So I hope you remember that straight line makes 180 degrees. Let me place the straight edge ruler under this. I see that it's a straight line.